amazing in this crab walk race. Congratulations, Hasini. Third prize of crab walk race, JP Venuvarshini. Let's put our hands together and give a big round of applause for the winners. In the next category is Color Hunt. First prize belongs to R.E. Dwaraga. Well done, Dwaraga. You did very well. Congratulations. Congratulations, Dwaraga, for winning the first prize in Color Hunt race. Congratulations. Sastika Sri V won the second prize in Color Hunt. Color Hunt race. High five forever. Great effort. Congratulations, Sastika Sri. P. Pritika got the third prize in Color Hunt race. Good job. Trying your best. Okay. The next category of thread and beads. First prize bagged by Dwaraga RE. You made us proud with your trying power. Congratulations, Dwaraga. Give a big round of applause for our first prize winner. Congratulations, Dwaraga. JP Venuhasini, class of pre-KG, won the second prize of thread and beads. Congratulations, Hasini. Congratulations. V. Sastika Sri, class of pre-KG, won the third prize of thread and beads. Big applause for our tiny champs. Well done, dears. Well done, Sastika. Here come our LKG kids. In the first category of balloon toss, the first prize belongs to M. Varshan Shanmugam. Huge high five to our first prize winner. Congratulations, Varshan. Give a big round of applause for our first prize winner. The second prize bagged by P. Andres Sebastian Paul, class of LKG. Well done, Andres. You did a great job in this case. Yes, Adil Jason won the third prize of balloon tossing. Congratulations, little champs, to the third prize. In the next category of building a tower with paper cup, the first prize belongs to Jai Karnes. Please give a big round of applause for our first prize winner. Please make noise for our tiny tots. The second prize owned by M. Varshan Shanmugam. Congratulations, Varshan. You are proving yourself again and again. Well done. Congratulations, Varshan. The third prize bagged by H. Komal Vaishnav of LKG. You did a great job in the building a tower with paper cup. Congratulations, Komal. In the next category of ball balancing, first prize achieved by R. Kabilan. We proudly congratulate for attaining the first position in ball balancing. Second prize won by M. Varshan Shanmugam of class LKG. Congratulations, Varshan Shanmugam. You did very well in all these games. Third prize bagged by S. Satvika of class LKG. Congratulations, little champ. You did very well. Make some noise for the tiny tots who own our hearts today. Moving on to our next category, balancing ball using spoon. In balancing ball using spoon, first prize bagged by S. Kritik of class UKG. To our wonder winner, you handled the game so well. Well done, Kritik. Congratulations. K. Pradiksha of class UKG achieved the second place in balancing ball. Congratulations, K. Pradiksha. Let's hear a cue cheer for our silver medalist. You are incredibly fast out there. R. Rudrashiv won third prize of ball balancing. Let's have a big cheer for our third place champion. You rised with so much heart. Moving on to our next category, color hunt race. The Akhil. Your big smile and fast feet move a joy to watch. Congratulations on your big win, Akhil. The second prize achieved by K. Pradiksha of class UKG. We are so proud of you. You played with a big heart and earned a wonderful win. JP Shivakritvika won the third prize in color hunt race. You showed us some great moves and snatched the third prize. Congratulations, Shivakritvika. In the next category of sponge water relay, P. Rajavel Pandian won the first prize. Congratulations, Rajavel. Congratulations, Rajavel. M. Anushree of class UKG bagged the second prize of sponge water relay. A massive round of applause for our second prize winner. You gave it your all and finished strong. A. Tayadashni of class UKG won the third prize of sponge water relay. Congratulations, little champs. You played so fair and ran so fast. Give a thunderous round of applause for our tiny tots. Now I am handing over to Sundari ma'am for class 1 to 5. Thank you.
Wonderful performance. You are all winners in your own way. Now I kindly request everyone to put your hands together, encourage our achievers as I announce the prize winners. I request our Vice Principal ma'am give away the prizes. I request Mrs. Vice Principal ma'am, Lakshmi Prabha ma'am give away the prizes. Now I announce half-yearly toppers of class 1 and 2. First prize secured by Vishnu Kanva. Give a big applause. Class 1A, first prize secured by Vishnu Kanva. First prize secured by Vishnu Kanva. Second prize secured by Apurva. Third prize secured by Dhiran Kaushik. Class 1B, first prize is secured by Lakshmi Kumari. Second prize is secured by Prince Vaishnav. Third prize is secured by Magilan. Next I move to second A. First prize is awarded to Shivajanani. Second prize is awarded to Lingeshwaran. And third prize is awarded to Harshita. Let I move to second B. Yeah, first prize is awarded to Kaveri. Second prize is awarded to Radha Kanva. Yes, give up, cheer up. Let's cheer up. Yeah, I move to third prize. Third prize is awarded to Balas. Now annual day competition category of English storytelling. First prize R.E. Dhiran Kaushik. Second prize awarded to S. Joya Jesna. And third prize is bagged by V. Kavi Yalani. Yeah, move to class 2. First prize is awarded to D.S. Samyukta. Yes, brilliant performance. Congratulations, my dear. And second prize is awarded to V. Lingeshwaran. Very good expression. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded to G. Anulakshita. Nice presentation. Keep going. Wonderful. Give a big applause. And move to class 3. First prize is awarded to B. Yashika Shri. Okay, second prize is awarded to K. Tia. Yeah, very good confident performer from class 3 for English storytelling. Third, keep shining. Congratulations, my dear. I move to class 4. First prize is awarded to R. Madheshwar. Outstanding narrations. Yeah, congratulations, my dear. Second prize is awarded to K. Agilan. K. Agilan. Second prize is awarded to K. Agilan. Yeah, very clear, confident delivery. Third prize is awarded to B. Harish. Very good attempt. Keep it up, my dear. And move to class 5. First prize. Class 5. First prize is bagged by J. Jasper Daniel. Excellent performer. Congratulations, my dear. Give a big applause for our children. To Sai Sasti. Third prize is awarded to A. Akshaya. Keep shining, my dear. S. First standard drawing competition. First prize is S. Joya Jesna. Second prize is Lakshmi Kumari. Very beautiful presentation, my dear. Well done. And then third prize is Hemant from first standard. I move to class 2. Now I move to class 2. First prize is awarded to E. Hartvik Deva. Very excellent creator. Congratulations. Second prize is awarded to S. Harshita. Very neat work. Well done, my dear. Third prize is F. Benial. Very nice effort. Keep it up from class 2. Let I move to class 3. First prize is V. Pranithan. Outstanding drawing. Congratulations, my dear. Second prize is awarded to K. A. Aradhana. Very creative ideas. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded to B. Yashika Shri. Very good presentation, my dear. Congratulations. I move to class 4. First prize is K. Agilan. Excellent artwork. Congratulations. Second prize is awarded to Y. Harsha. Very creative. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded to R. Riyashini. Nice effort. Keep shining, my dear. Now I move to class 5. First prize is bagged. Second prize is awarded by R. Ashika. Well done artwork. Keep it up. Third prize is awarded by R. Shiva Magima. Very good creativity. Keep shining, my dear. Now I move to next category, the category or English allocation. Class 1, first prize or Vishnu Kanva. Yeah, very good, excellent speaker. Give a big applause. Second prize is awarded by A. Apurvan. Very good, confident performer. Third prize is awarded S. Andrew Anson. Good expression. Keep it up. Next, I move to Class 2. First prize is awarded E. Hartvik Devan. Outstanding allocation. Second prize is awarded by S. Harshita. Very clear pronunciation. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded by F. Benial. Be seated, all the parents. I welcome you all once again. Please be seated.
I request the parents, please be seated. Many places are seated there and there.
Yeah, all the prize he got, I think. First, second, third, all the prize he got. Give a big applause for Dhiran Kaushik, Class 2. Congratulate, my dear. Okay, English prize is awarded by V. Pranidhan from Class 3. Yes, excellent. Second prize is awarded by K. A. Aradhana. Very impressive speaker. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded by B. Yashika Sri. Very good effort. Keep shining, my dear. I move to Class 4. Yeah, first prize is awarded by K. Agilan. Very powerful deliver. Congratulations, my dear. Second prize is bagged by Y. Harsha. Very expressive. Well done, my dear. Second prize is awarded by Y. Harsha from Class 4 for English allocation. Third prize is awarded to R. Riyashini. Very good presentation. I move to Class 5. First prize is awarded to A. Akshaya. Second prize is awarded to R. Ashika. Yeah, very clear, confident speaker. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded to R. Shiva Magima. Keep shining, my dear. Congratulate. Let I move to Tamil allocation. Class 1. First prize is S. Joya Jesna and second prize is A. Inian. Well done, my dear. Third prize is Arjun Karan. Good effort. Keep it up. Next I move to class 2. First prize is bagged by DS Samyukta, outstanding performer. Congratulations. Second prize is awarded to V. Lingeshwaran. Very clear deliver. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded to R. Krishwan. Keep shining, my dear. I move to class 3. First prize is awarded to MB Karthik Krishna and second prize is awarded to S. Abhishek. Third prize is awarded to R. Darunika. Keep going, my dear. I move to class 4. First prize is awarded to R. Madheshwar. Powerful delivery. Second prize is awarded to S. Mogit Adiruban. Very impressive. Well done, my dear. Third prize is awarded to K. Agilan. I move to class 5. Jasper Daniel. Very excellent, confident speaker. Second prize is MB Dhanishri Bala. Third prize is awarded to S. Raja Raghavendra. Very good, nice performer. Nice, keep shining. I move to Hindi allocation. Annual day competition for Hindi allocation. Class 1. First prize is awarded to R. Vishnu Kanva. Excellent pronunciation. Congratulations, my dear. Second prize is awarded to M. Lakshmi Kumari from class 1. Third prize is awarded to N. Yaspal. Good effort. I move to class 2. First prize is awarded to U. Radhika Khanbar. Outstanding delivery. Congratulations. Second prize is awarded to Prem Singh and third prize is awarded to V. Virendra Singh. Third prize is awarded to Virendra Singh. Now I move to class 3. First prize is awarded to N. Nirma Kanva from class 3. Excellent performer, very good. And I move to second prize is awarded to G. Gayatri Kumari. Very expressive. Well done, my dear. From class 3. K. Josna. Very good performer. From class 3. Now I move to class 4. First prize is awarded to F. Vishal. Very powerful speaker. Second prize is awarded to N. Lakshita. Very clear delivery. Well done, my dear. congratulate. Third prize is goes to J. Gautam Singh. Keep it up. I move to class 5. Is Kritika Chunaram. Excellent performer. Second prize is M. Nilesh Rajbogit. Second prize goes to M. Nilesh Rajbogit, confident speaker. Well done, my dear. Third prize goes to B. Nirma Kanva. Very good attempt. Keep shining. Once again, I congratulate all the winners. Give a big applause to all, please. Kindly give a big applause of our winners. Our hard work, they are doing very well. Please give a big applause.
Mrs. Sundari for the engaging seamless presentation. It is my privilege to invite our students on stage whose performance reflects a commitment and distinction. May I now request the awardees of class 6 to 12 to be ready. Some moments deserve a thunderous applause and a smile. This is one of them. I start with the first category, Best Out of Base, from the class of 6th standard. The first prize is notched by R. Seshi. And the second prize is accomplished by M. Deepika. And the third prize is gained by B. Jasmine. From the class of 7th standard, these students proved that creativity has no limits and not even a waste. From the class of 7th standard, the first prize is notched by G. Dev Vaishnav. And the second prize is gained by C. Ram Kumar. Your remarkable achievement exceeded the expectations. And the third prize is bagged by S. Angelin Sandhya. Your dedication and efforts are truly commendable. From the class of 8th standard, the first prize is bagged by S. Danshika. Your performance reflects your commitments. Bravo. And the second prize is gained by K. Sri Gurupriya. Your outstanding performance deserves a special appreciation. And the third prize is succeeded by G. Anbuchelli. Your exemplary efforts are praiseworthy. From the class of 9th standard, the first prize is gained by A. Nitish. Phenomenal performance that impressed everyone. I request every audience and the parents to give a big round of applause. This would encourage our students to gain more of their doings. The second prize is bagged by S. Vidyush Raj. Let's give a big ovation to the students. And the third prize is bagged by S. Keertana. From the category of Best Out of Base, the first prize is bagged by, second prize is bagged by S. Darshini. And the third prize is bagged by B. Akshay Kumar. Your dedication to the excellence is revealed in these performances. This effort shows that the sustainability begins with the creative thinking. Let's give a big applause to our students. From the class of 11th standard, the first prize is bagged by S. Ruveda. And the second prize is achieved by R. Tiyashri. Your remarkable effort deserves an appreciation. And the third prize is succeeded by N. Sangeeta. From class of 12th standard, the first prize is notched by K. Nityashri. And the second prize is accomplished by B. Vishal Anup. And the third prize is achieved by M. Udayashri. Your exemplary effort has truly stood out. For the category of solo dance, the first prize is notched by K. Varsha Kumari of class 6th. I request the audience to give a big round of applause. This would encourage our students to perform well in the upcoming performances. And the second prize is notched by R. Seshika of class 6 in the category of solo dance. And the third prize is notched by A.R.T. Kanwal. Your exemplary effort is truly remarkable. From the class of 7th standard, the first prize is notched by K. Lakshana. And the second prize is accomplished by G. Priyadarshini. You are exceptional in the stage. And the third prize is notched by B. Pritiksha. Your dedications were very impressive. From the class of 8th standard, the first prize is notched by M. Pooja Kumari. They did a phenomenal performance on stage that set the fire in the stage. I request everyone to give a big round of applause. My dear parents and students, these are the kids that showed a very well performances. Please encourage them with your big round of applauses. And the second prize is notched by K. Devan. And the third prize is notched by B. Santosh Kanwar. Your energy were commendable. For the class of 9th standard, the first prize is bagged by M. Heetal Jain. And the second prize is bagged by R. Sanjana. From the class of 10th standard, the first prize is achieved by B. Akshay Kumar. He is the star performance of our school. I request everyone to give a big round of applause. Coming up next, the second prize is bagged by R. Tahir Hussain. Remarkable efforts were truly praiseworthy. And the third prize is bagged by S. Vishal. I request everyone to give a thunderous applause to our students. From the class of 11th standard, the first prize is bagged by R. Diyashri. Your graceful and confident performance exceeded our expectations. For the category of musical instrument, from the class of 6th standard, the first prize is notched by Ritish of class 6. A melodious and exceptional performance. And the second prize is bagged Varsha Kumari for keyboard. Your outstanding musical skill impressed us. And the third prize is backed by A. Aarti Kanwar for keyboard. Your exemplary effort were truly commendable. From the class of 7th standard, the first prize is backed by B. Sashri Dayalan for keyboard. A phenomenal performance with the perception. And the second prize is backed by G. Priyadashini for keyboard. And the third prize is backed by G. Shakina Joylin for keyboard. Put your hands together for all the star students from the class of 8th standard. The first prize is backed by J. Jesse Daniel for keyboard. Your performance standard a benchmark. And the second prize is backed by K. Shri Gurupriya for keyboard. From the class of 9th standard, the first prize is backed by R. Hanshika for keyboard. A top-notch and a confident performance. And the second prize is earned by S. Santanu for guitar. Your performance was truly a musical treat for everyone. And the third prize is succeeded by B. Vinay Jain for drums. I request all the parents who are sitting in the student seating zone to kindly move to the reserved area. The soulful performance impressed all. Please give a thunderous applause to our students. And the second prize is achieved by S. Vishal for drums. Prize is notched by B. Akshay Kumar. I request every parent to clear the corridors. And please be seated. Now I give away the mic to Ms. Anjali to proceed with the remaining categories. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Evangeline ma'am, for the mic. Hello everyone, I am Anjali Jain here. Today we are celebrate the talents and creativity of our students. Our Science Expo showed amazing ideas, innovation and scientific thinking. And our 1-minute talent show proved that talent shines even in a short time. Now, it is the most exciting moment, the prize distribution. But first we will give prizes to the winner of the Science Expo. M. Dikshita got the second prize. R. Ritesh got the third prize. Congratulations, you did a very wonderful job. From 7th standard, S. Isaki Sabrish got the first prize. G. Dev Vaishnav got the second prize. R. Hanita got the third prize. From 8th standard, S. Dhanshika got the first prize.
Anbu Shelvan got the second prize. M. Sanjeev got the third prize. Excellent performance you have done. From 9th standard, A. Kirtana got the first prize. M. Madhishri got the second prize. Everyone give a claps for Madhishri. From 9th standard, N. Vignesh got the first prize. From 10th standard. S. Asmin got the second prize. B. Akshay Kumar got the third prize. Keep up the great work. Everyone please claps for them. From 11th standard, G. Kalpana Kumari got the first prize. K. Kalpana got the second prize. K. Bhumika Priyadarshini got the third prize. Keep believing in yourself, students. You are doing very well job. From 12th standard, K. Nityashree got the first prize. M. Asmita got the second prize. C. Varsha got the third prize. Keep growing and keep willing, students. Now we are going to announce about Science Expo. From 6th standard, R. Ritish got the first prize. S. Yalini got the second prize. S. Sujit Kumar got the third prize. From 7th standard, G. Dev Vaishnav got the first prize. S. Esaki Sabrish got the second prize. G. Shakina Jalin got the third prize. From 8th standard, S. Dhansika got the first prize. S. R. Kavin got the second prize. got the third prize. Great achievement. Congratulations, students. From 9th standard, A. Mohammad Fahim got the first prize. S. Vidush Raj got the second prize. B. Sashti Khanna got the third prize. Keep up the great work, students. From 10th standard, C. Subramani got the first prize. B. Akshay Kumar got the second prize. A. Vatsala Mari got the third prize. Fantastic efforts you have did. Good job. From 11th standard, M. Preeti got the first prize. B. Varsha Shri got the second prize. M. Anumitra got the third prize. Congratulations, students. From 12th standard, V. Indusha got the first prize. T. Priyadarshini got the second prize. You are going to say? Okay. I welcome to our chief guest. Please come on the stage. Everyone, please clap for our chief guest. Please give a big cheer up. Everyone give a applause for our guest. Cheer up. Please do a clap. Cheer up to our guest. From 12th standard, R. Manisha got the third prize for Science Expo. Now we are giving prizes for 1 minute talent show from 1st standard, N. Lakshmi Kumari for dance got the first prize. Please everyone give a cheer up to Lakshmi Kumari. R.E. Dhiran Kaushik for song got the second prize. got the first prize. Congratulations, students. M. Gayashri for song got the second prize. A. Balashweta for song got the third prize. Give a cheer up, everyone. A. Ananya for song got the second prize. From 4th standard, SS Veena Darshana for dance got the first prize. R. Madheswar for song got the second prize. Excellent performance you have done. Congratulations. S. Himesh Raj for song got the third prize. From 6th standard, K. Purva Shri for dance got the first prize. For dance got the second prize. Clay Prince for dance got the third prize. Excellent performance you have done. From 6th standard, K. Varsha Kumari for dance got the first prize. C. Jessie Beulah for wet carving got the second prize. Well done, we are very proud of you. From 7th standard, K. Sonakshi for dance got the first prize. You are an inspiration for all the dancers. M. Bharti for dance got the second prize. R. Manisha for song got the third prize. From 8th standard, K. Sri Guru Priya for dance got the first performer. We are proud of you. V. Santosh Kanwar for dance got the second prize. M. Pooja Kumari for dance got the third prize. From 9th standard, Jyoti Kumari for dance got the first prize. Keep going, keep growing. S. Santanu for dance got the second prize. Vishakha Kanwar got the third prize for the dance. Everyone please cheer up them. From 10th standard, B. Akshay Kumar for dance got the first prize. Give a cheerful hand. S. Vishal a big cheer for our champions. Now I would like to hand over the mic to Mrs. Durga Nandini.